Hey y'all, and welcome back to another vlog. It has been a while since I've been in front of the camera, and I'm super excited to be back. Today, we are getting ready to go over to a family member's house for a little fall fun, and I'm so excited. We are doing a girls Halloween PJ pumpkin painting, drinks, game night. Super on the budget, super definitely needed. The seasons are changing, and it's just time to do something fun and fall like. So I am getting ready. I just kind of took my shower, and now I'm trying to do my hair, put on a little light makeup, and put on my Halloween pajamas, which are super budget friendly. I'll show you all what I ordered. I got them from the local Walmart. Let me show you. All right, as you can see, it's just this black gown with this Miss Halloween on it, with a little skeleton frame and some flowers. It came with these little cute little socks. Altogether, I think this little outfit or pajama set was about $12. I had some Walmart credit to use, and I think they gave me free shipping because I wanted to pick it up, but they didn't have it in store, so they shipped it to me free. So I think actually I only ended up paying about $5 for it. I'll show you all. I'll link the receipt here, but I think I only paid about $5 for it and got that free shipping. So there it is. If you are interested, it is in a size large. There you go. Two-piece set, and I didn't even realize it was a two-piece set when I put it in my cart. I just like the gown, so that's what I put in the cart. I didn't realize that it came with these cute little socks, and I just have some little basic tights that I'm gonna throw on with it because I don't want to just have on no bottoms. So, and my socks, and I'm gonna have some little fall boots. My cousin, she has a no shoe around the house policy, so these little socks came in clutch. So now that you've seen my pajamas, I'm going to continue to get myself together. I'm going to comb my hair, put on a little foundation powder and some lip gloss, and get on out the door. The event starts at 6:30 and it's 6 o'clock, so I'll get there maybe 7. I don't expect it to start on time, but I'll get there around 7 o'clock, and that should be right on time. So I will come back on once I'm fully ready and walking out the door. See y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, so I am almost done. I decided to go with this little ponytail because I felt like the little sash on the skeleton was kind of like a beauty thing, so I feel like I needed to kind of like have something more than just my little curly ponytail today. So I am just doing the last few finishing touches. I do like to use a little toothbrush for my baby hairs on the ends. So my face is already washed and cleaned, and I like to use this Clean and Clear Essential Dual Moisturizer on my face. Kind of gives me a little moisturizer, and it fights acne. And as soon as I do that, I go in with my pure pressed powder. It's like a 4-in-1 powder, and this is the little brush that I use. Just hit it everywhere. Which I'll set up on the side of me. Earrings. It's just honestly some little cheap beauty supply house earrings. Nothing fancy. Alright y'all, so I got everything on. I got my gown on, my tights and my socks, and I decided to kind of go with my false Birkenstocks from Walmart as well. Just slide them on and slide them off. Seemed a little easier than trying to put some boots over these thick socks. I went with a nourishing lip tint with hyaluronic acid from Bath and Body Works on my lips. I know it's not a fall color, but it's what I wanted to wear. And I went with this jumbo pink pencil. It's like an eyeshadow crayon. I love these. I get these from Ulta Beauty. Goes on quick. I got a gold one and this one. These are like the best thing ever. I'm not a super makeup girl, but I like a little something, and that was super easy to use. So this is what it looks like. I'm super comfortable right now, and I'm ready to go. I went back in and fixed my baby hair, and so I rinse my hands, and we're gonna get on out the door because we already leaving late. So let's go. Let's get our pumpkin, let's get the wine, and let's get on out the door. See y'all later. Okay, y'all, I got the wine and I got the pumpkin. I'm dressed. You can see what I got on. Remember I told y'all I went with comfort with my false Birkenstocks from Walmart, outfit from Walmart, and got the wine and the pumpkin, so I'll see y'all in the car.
So when you answer, you have to say what is, who is in the answer, correct? So if it's your turn, like you can say put it back, but whoever go first can only paste it. So if she pastes it to you, you have to answer. When she put it back, then it's your turn and you can pick another card. But if she pastes it to you, you have to answer.
Don't ever say you'll never fall in love. Stop listening to the noise. Don't you give up. Don't you give up, no. Haters will keep on hating. Come on, stop meditating. Tonight the world is ours. Hey, we're gonna have that.
Twix, take 5, crunch, enjoy.
Crunch.
Yes.
Hey y'all, I just wanted to come back on and end the vlog properly. I just pulled back into the garage. I'm back home and I just wanted to come back on and say good night. I had a wonderful time at my cousin's house tonight. You saw how well we did on some of the pumpkins. We had a great time. Everybody had on their holiday pajamas for Halloween or something comfortable, something that they were comfortable in. We played games, we had some really good food, and we just had a good time in a safe environment, and it's just what it's all about. So I hope y'all enjoyed today's vlog, and I look forward to coming back with many other vlogs and little activities as we approach Thanksgiving and Christmas, and I hope to take you all along with me. See you next time.